In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a router to send one input to many outputs. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable setup where a single trigger fans out to multiple actions at the same time. We'll start by adding a router to your automation. Think of the router as a traffic director. You place it right after your trigger or initial input, maybe a form submission, an incoming email, or a new row in a spreadsheet. The router doesn't change your data. It simply splits the flow into separate branches so each branch can do something different with the same input. Once you drop it in, give it a clear name so you and your teammates instantly know what it's doing. Next, create 2 or 3 routes within the router. Each route is its own path. Name them according to their job, like send email, log to sheet, or notify team. If your platform supports conditions or filters, this is a good place to set them so each route only runs when it should. For example, only send an email when a status is approved, or only log to a sheet when a priority is high. Clear route names and simple conditions make troubleshooting fast later on. Now connect your apps to each route. On the email route, add your email app and map the fields from your input, such as recipient, subject, and message body. Use the data tokens from your trigger so the email is personalized automatically. On the logging route, connect your spreadsheet app and map columns like timestamp, name, and status. If you add a third route, choose another tool you already use, such as a project tracker or a notification service. Keep your mappings consistent and include only the fields you actually need. That makes your automation faster and easier to maintain. With everything connected, it's time to run. Use a test input or replay a recent one to verify that all routes fire as expected. Watch the execution details to confirm each route received the same input and produced the right output. If something fails, check your field mappings and any conditions. Small typos or missing required fields are common culprits. When the test looks good, turn it on for real traffic. Keep an eye on logs during the first few live runs and adjust message copy, spreadsheet headers, or conditions as needed. That's it. One input now creates many outputs in parallel: emails sent, rows added, and other actions completed automatically. You've built a scalable pattern you can reuse across your workflows.